Hey, Crunchified Clean friend, that's a great question. So with dusting, I keep it simple. I just use my all-purpose cleaner and I spray it on a microfiber cloth and I just dust. So I always like to look around a TV area or anything with wires just to make sure I'm not going to knock anything over by accident. And then I spray my microfiber cloth with my Thieves Cleaner, which is a plant-based, all-purpose, amazing cleaner. I'm a distributor. If you want to buy it, let me know. I'll send you my link. And then I just go around everything and I just pick up the dust. I like to fold over the cloth several ways so that I'm not just, dusting dust back onto the surface. So then I'll use one side, I'll flip it over, I'll use another side, I'll flip it over, I'll use another side. And then I just go around everything and gather all the dust. If I can get my cloth under something like that base of the TV screen, I'll do that, and that's it. Dusting is really easy. If it's up high, then I have a high reach duster. If it's level where I can reach it, I just use my cloth and my Thieves Cleaner. Crunchified Clean!